Come on in and let me show you how I make my chocolate protein milkshake. Let's go. Yeah, the container is really nice. 6 grams. We're going to use some Kietha peanut butter. We're going to use some Chobani vanilla Greek yogurt. We'll be using some Hershey cocoa. Bananas. We will be adding bananas. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first thing I do is, obviously I have some left from the previous day, so I'm going to go ahead and pour this into my container. We don't fill it up. There is a marking on the container that shows you the maximum amount to put in the container. First thing I'm going to add is my my Chobani yogurt. We're going to add the yogurt first. And about that much. And I stir it in there. Just mix it up in there really good. Mix, 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 mix. Okay, then we're gonna follow it up with some peanut butter. About that much. That much. Same deal. You want to mix it. I try to dissolve it because this has to go into the freezer, not dissolve, but mix. Y'all know what I mean. With about half a teaspoon of my Hershey cocoa. Best milkshake ever. Protein. Y'all, this is so good. You have to try it. If you try it, please come back and let me know what you thought. I've tried both core power protein shakes, the 26 gram, and I think the other one is it 30 or 42? Okay, the other one is 42 grams. That's what it looks like. I don't like this one. Nope, not for me. So can y'all see that's how that's mixed? It's all in there. Next thing I do is go in with my banana. You can do frozen or you can do as I'm doing here. And I see a piece of overripe banana. I don't like that. I guess it will be okay for the protein shake. Ooh. I just place those to the bottom, just like that. And we go back with our protein. Quick and simple. Then we're going to put it in the freezer for at least an hour. By the time I'm finished with my workout, guys, this is ready for me. Quick and simple. That's how I make my chocolate protein shake in the morning. Now I'm going to put this in the freezer for 1 hour. 1 hour. And then maybe I'll show y'all how I blend it, but you've seen me many times. If not, I have a video out there that shows you how I use my Ninja Creamy to blend my chocolate protein milkshake. We're going to blend. That's what it's looking like. Milkshake. Power on milkshake. what it's looking like. So then I just take my mixture, put it right into my cup. I like to add a little cinnamon. Give it a quick stir. And we've got a delicious gram chocolate protein shake.